without a doubt, the most important bit of kit is your ski boot. If this isn't right, it doesn't matter how good your skis are, they won't feel good. This is the connection between you and the ski. So take your time and get it right. The first thing to do is measure your foot. Now, each maker boot might be slightly different, so go on feel, but make sure you measure your foot to know where you need to start. Get the boot right and you'll have a good holiday. And if it's not right, ask the shop to change it. When it comes to your ski boots, it's definitely worth investing in a couple of pairs of good ski socks. You will have much better fit and much more comfort. So before you put the foot in the boot, all you want in the boot is your foot and a sock. No thermals, no sandwiches, no lift passes, just your foot and your sock. Pull the sock up as much as you can so there's no creases at all. The smoother this is, the more comfortable it's going to be. Take a moment just to pull that tongue up and open the outside of the boot and make sure that the tongue sits in the middle. You don't want it crossed over, certainly not the tongue on the outside, so it should sit inside the flaps. Give the heel a little bit of a tap just to pull your foot back. I normally start with the second clip back just to slightly close the cuff, and then I go to the top two. Now, you don't want to go too tight with one. Literally, do one, go back to the next, and slowly build up. Once you've got a little bit of tension there, you can then do the power strap up and give that a good pull, get it nice and tight, and if you feel like you need to, you can go back and tighten the top two a little bit more. Then you can go back to the bottom two, same rule applies, don't try and do it too tight, and these, if you're feeling like you have to crank them really, really firm, maybe the boot is too big. If you feel like you're in between two of the clips, you can also slightly lengthen and shorten that clip by turning it clockwise, which will make it slightly shorter, or anti-clockwise, which will make it longer. So you can kind of fine-tune how the boot feels. Now, when it comes to the fit you're after, you pretty much want the boot to feel as tight as you can without it feeling uncomfortable. Now, really important, if you're skiing and the boot doesn't feel right, there's maybe a pressure point or something's not comfortable, make sure you stop and sort it out. Don't wait 2 or 3 more runs, you might forget about it, and before you know it, you've rubbed your foot, and to be honest, it's done for the week. So take your time. If something's not right, sort it out there and then.